In this video, we'll show you how to fix the missing brightness slider in Windows 10 and 11. As you can see, the brightness slider does not appear in the display settings, and it's missing in the Action Center as well. First, right-click on the Windows Start icon and open the Device Manager. As you can see, there's an issue with the graphics driver. The first way to fix it is to try updating the driver for the GPU. If that doesn't work, you can update the driver using the Microsoft Basic Display adapter. As you can see, the issue is resolved, and the brightness slider is now available. Additionally, we recommend downloading and installing the correct driver instead of using the Microsoft generic one. To do this, open System Information and check the model of your computer or laptop. Next, go to the manufacturer's website and search for drivers for your specific computer or laptop model. Select Display or Video Graphics, then download and install the correct driver. As you can see, it works now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.